Hello guys, I hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel KY Tech. So today we will learn about the data validation. So hopefully you have seen in your experience that sometimes while filling the online registration form we are bound to just select an option from the drop down menu. So today we will learn about it how we can create that drop down menu whenever we are trying to build any type of Excel sheets on the maybe registration form or maybe any types of sheets which we are planning. So I have created a sample, just a simple sample table over here, and you can see that there are simple steps. uh, I have chosen some of your name, your age, gender, marital status. So your name and your age, this person can populate over here, but for the gender and marital status, we are gonna learn about it how to create the drop down menus for them. Okay, so for that purpose, let's say that we want to create the drop down menu for the gender. So we will click that particular cell and then we will go to the data table, and after that here you will see an option about the data validation. So you have to click on that one, then data validation, and the window appears in front of you. So in that particular state we are working on the list. So what we have to do is we are working on the gender top part, and we all know that that we have to decide a gender. And let's say, let me write over the male comma. So whenever we are trying to separate the list, we will have to insert a comma between them. When we click OK, then here you can see that we will have the two options available, male or female, and a person can select any of them. So let's repeat step for the Marshall status, and then again we will click on that particular cell, and again data validation, and here we will again select the list. So there are a number of other options available which you can try on your own, and hopefully it will be very simple steps. So let me write over here single and married. Okay, and again you can see we will have the list of options available, single or married. So that's a simple drop down list tutorial. Hopefully you like that. If you like that and you want me to continue my work on posting the content regarding the Excel and all particular tech related stuff, so please do support with me and like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.